Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear student, in the last class we have discussed about acceleration. What is meant by acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration and its SI unit meter per second square, and formula A equals to V minus U divided by T. V means final velocity, U initial velocity, T means time taken. Here some problems related to acceleration. In that first problem, see here, starting from a stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meters per second in 30 seconds. Then he applies brakes such that the velocity of the bicycle comes down to 4 meters per second in the next 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the bicycle in both the cases. Here two cases. In that first case, starting from a stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meters per second. It is the first case in 30 seconds. Next, he applies brakes such that the velocity of bicycle comes down. Velocity comes down to 4 meters per second in 5 seconds. It is the second case. So calculate the acceleration in both the cases. Okay, right. First case, in first case, write data. First, Rahul starting from a stationary position. Stationary position means rest, in the state of rest. So in that case, initial velocity becomes 0, U equals to 0, and then he pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meters per second. It is a final velocity, V equals to 6 meters per second in 30 seconds. So T equals to 30 seconds. T equals to 30 seconds. So A equals to how much? Formula acceleration A equals to V minus U divided by T equals to V final velocity 6 minus U 0 divided by T 30 seconds. 30 equals to 6 minus 0 value 6. 6 by 30, 6 by 30, 6 ones are 6 5s are 30, so equals to 1 by 5, 1 by 5 value 0.2 meter per second squared. So in the first case, acceleration equals to 0.2 meter per second squared. Okay, now calculate the acceleration in the second case. In the second case, here velocity, then he applies brakes such that velocity of the bicycle comes down to 4 meters per second. Here first velocity is 6 meters per second. So initial velocity U equals to 6 meters per second. Then he applies brakes. Then velocity of the bicycle comes down. Value V equals to 4 meters per second in 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. So T equals to 5 seconds. So acceleration A equals to how much? Then formula A equals to V minus U divided by T equals to V 4 minus U 6 divided by T 5 seconds equals to 4 minus 6. What is the value of 4 minus 6? It is minus 2. Minus 2. 6 minus 4 value 2. Why here minus 2? Here greater number, its sign minus. So here minus 2 divided by 5. Minus 2 divided by 5 equals to here 2 divided by 5. 5 ones 0.5 fours are 20. So A equals to minus 0.4 meter per second square. What is the acceleration in the second case? A equals to 0.4 meter per second square. Here this negative sign indicates that the velocity decreases. Observe here, initial velocity is 6 meter per second and final velocity is here 4 meter per second. So here minus. So here velocity decreases. So acceleration is in negative value. It is a negative value. So A equals to minus 0.4 meter per second square. Okay, second problem. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. First write data. Solution. A bus decreases its speed 80 km per hour to 60. So 80 km per hour, it is the initial velocity. U equals to 80 km per hour, which is the SI unit of velocity or speed. SI unit of velocity and speed, it is meter per second. But here speed is given in kilometer per hour. So convert this in meter per second. How to convert? 80 kilometer into meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So 80 into 1000 divided by hour. 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. So 3600 seconds. 20 cancels. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are, then 8s are. Then 2 9s are 18. 2 40s are 80. So 40 into 5 divided by 9 equals to 5 4s are 20. 200 divided by 9. 200 divided by 9 value. 9 2s are 18. 19 20. 2 remains here. Again 9 2s are 18. Again 2 remains 0. 20 here point. Again 2 9 2s are 18. So 22.22 meter per second. So what is the initial velocity is here? U equals to 22.22 meter per second. In kilometer per hour, its value 80 kilometer per hour. Next, its speed from 80 kilometer per hour to 60 kilometer per hour. That means here speed decreases. Okay, so final velocity U equals to 60 kilometer per hour. Convert this in meter per second. Again 60 into 1000 divided by 3600. 20 cancels. 2 5s are 10. 2 18s are. Then 2 9s are here 30. So here 150 divided by 150 divided by 9. 50 divided by 9. Again here 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Then here 0. 50 by 3. 50 divided by 3 equals to 3 ones are 3. 4, 5, 2 remains here 20. 3, 6 are 18. 2 remains here point. Again 3, 6 are 18. Again 3, 6 are 18. So, final velocity V equals to 16.66 meter per second. In kilometer per hour, its value 60 kilometer per hour. Now, time is given here in second. Time t equals to 5 seconds. T equals to 5 seconds. So, calculate the value of acceleration A equals to how much? Formula A equals to V minus U divided by T equals to V, final velocity value 16.66 minus final velocity 22.22. Okay, divided by T 5 seconds equals to here 22.22 minus 16.66. Here 2 minus 6. Then here 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Again here only 1. Then here 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 equal to 5. 11 minus 6 equals to 5. Point. Here 1 remains. Then again 11 minus 6 equal to 5. So here value 5.56. Here greater number, its sign minus. So here sign minus. Minus 5.56. It is the value of 16.66 minus 22.22 divided by 5 equals to 5 ones are minus value 1.5 ones are, then 5 ones are. Okay, so its value acceleration equals to minus 1.11 meter per second square. What is the acceleration is here? Acceleration A equals to minus 1.11 meter per second square. Here negative sign indicates that here speed decreases. First initial speed decreases from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour. So here acceleration is in negative sign. Okay. Third problem. A train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. See here, a train starting from a railway station. So its initial velocity u equals to 0. It is in rest position. Then it is moving with uniform acceleration and attains a speed 40 km per hour. V equals to 40 km per hour. Convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 40 into 1000 divided by 3600. 20 cancels here. 2 5s are 2 1, 18s are 36. 2 9s are 2 20s are 40. Then here 20 into 5 equals to 100 divided by 9. 100 divided by 9, its value 9 ones are 9, 1 remains again 10, 9 ones are 9, 1 remains, 9 ones are again it continues. So 11.11 meter per second, 11.11 meter per second. It is the final velocity. Next, time is given here in 10 minutes. T equals to 10 minutes. it is not in seconds. So convert this minute into second. For 1 minute 60 seconds, so 10 into 60 equals to 600 seconds. 600 seconds. So t equals to 600 seconds. Okay. Then find acceleration A. Formula A equals to V minus U divided by T equals to V. V final velocity 11.11 minus 0. 0 means here initial velocity is 0 divided by 600 equals to 11.11 divided by 600. 11.11 divided by 600, its value 0.0185. Simplify this. Its value 0.0185 meter per second square. So acceleration A equals to 0.0185 meter per second square. These are some problems related to acceleration. Okay, Sai Ram.